Well, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So here I am just in the back area of just my house here, and about 15 minutes ago just a little canary, a local bird here, a local species of canary from here, had smashed into our window and completely stunned himself. And we recuperated him a bit and got him settled out here in the back. And he's going to be healthy again, and you can tell he's going to be able to fly again. And you can tell he will be all right eventually, but he's really stunned right now, and so he's just kind of regaining his strength, just sort of just recuperating after smashing quite hard into the window. We thought maybe he would have been a goner, but we're pretty sure he will probably make it now. But yeah, he's just right here resting. We just propped him up in here. Yeah, we'll follow up in a little bit, and hopefully he's regained his strength and has flown away. Well, hello, here we are back at the same area, and the bird has lived. The canary has lived. I've now back here, and he is gone, and there's no body on the ground anywhere to be seen, or anywhere within the parameter. So he has obviously recuperated his energy and gone, flown off. So good, he is healed now. There's where he was before, empty, no body anywhere. No body. So we're good.